I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making peanut butter maple waffle bites. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. I was speaking with a dear friend of mine a while back, and we somehow got on the topic of waffles and their toppings. She mentioned peanut butter and maple syrup, and I said I'd never had that combination, but it sounded great. And that got me wondering if those flavors would work together in a candy, so I told her I was going to see if I could make it happen. This is also her birthday month, so I told her that if I got it figured out, it would be her birthday treat. And here we are. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own peanut butter maple waffle bites, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 1 tablespoon of softened unsalted butter, 1/8 cup of peanut butter, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of maple extract, 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, some frozen waffles, 1½ cups of milk chocolate, 1/2 cup of white chocolate, and some crispy bacon. I'm also using a lined cutting board, a bowl, a round cookie cutter, a fork, and a couple of precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. Toast the waffles. Crumble the bacon. Cut rounds out of the waffles using the cookie cutter. Slice each round in half, being very careful to keep your fingers out of the way of the blade. Add the butter and peanut butter to a bowl and mix until they're well combined. Add the powdered sugar and give it a good mix. Add the vanilla and maple extracts and the cream, then mix until it's fully combined. Take a sliced round, generously spread some filling on it, then cover it with another, making a kind of a waffle sandwich. Continue with the rest of the rounds. Melt or temper the milk chocolate, then dip a sandwich into the chocolate, let it drain, then return it to the lined cutting board. Continue with the rest of the waffle sandwiches. Melt or temper the white chocolate, then pipe it over the top, sprinkle them with bacon bits, and leave them on the counter to set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. These turned out exactly like I hoped they would. All the flavors are there. The waffles, the maple and peanut butter, the bacon, which also adds a nice crunch. I first envisioned dipping this in white chocolate, which I hoped would be reminiscent of whipped cream, but the sweetness just overpowered the other flavors. The milk chocolate, however, is perfect, and as you saw, I snuck a little white chocolate in as a drizzle, which kind of adds another layer. I am really happy with the way these turned out. If you think waffles with peanut butter and maple syrup sound like a treat, you really ought to try these. And happy birthday, Kayla. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. Greetings, my... no. Peanut butter maple waffle bite. 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. Continue with the west of the waffle. And that's, ugh.